Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to cover a very basic topic, and I have also made many videos on it, but I keep on getting doubts on this. So that is of the how to join a line in AutoCAD. So let's say you have drawn a line right over here, and then by mistake, by fluke, you just miss out a few millimeter or a few inches, point inches, and then your hatch doesn't come up. Okay, so in this case, you just have to select these two lines or the entire drawing that has to be get joined, or you don't want any gaps in your drawing. Just select the whole of the drawing, or just select the two lines that you know. Just press J, which is the shortcut of join, and just press enter. And J enter, and you as you can see over here, your whole drawing, your whole line has been joined. As for before, the gap was right over here. Just select this two line, press J, enter, and the lines will be joined, and there will be no gaps in your drawing, and your drawing will be a clean sheet. Thank you so much. If you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it.